Matthew chapter 18 verses 15 to 20. Matthew chapter 18 verses 15 to 20. Here it is talking about dealing with sin in the church. In this chapter 18 was talking about the greater, who is the greater in the kingdom of heaven, or become like a child, like take always have a good desire to take a lowly position in the church, and don't cause a stumbling block, or don't be a stumbling block to others, and don't be become stumbling block to others' progress. And the parable of the wandering sheep, that Jesus is considering the lost sheep, and he came to the lost sheep. Then in this section is talking about the dealing with the sin in the church. So definitely Jesus really know that there will be a sin going to happen in the church. It will not be a holy. And many people is believe that wealth and health is the definition of Jesus is dwell in the spirit and dwell in this person. So if you see the world richest with wealthy man is the highest place of Jesus is dwelling. No, never. If the wealth and health is not is the criteria to measure the presence of the God, but the brokenness of my heart is measure the way of making the criteria. And dealing with the sin in the church. So it says 15, if your brother or sister sins. So there is a possibility a brother or sister going to sin. And if the brother or sister have going to or they committed the sin, they should come with a God with a repentant heart. If you come filthy thoughts or the filthy words, or thinking about the wrong things, or talking something wrong, so we have to be really come to God. Wrong thing, it's not outside the church, it is within the church and within the believers community, brother or sister. So if your brother or sister sins, go and point their fault just between the two of you. So first of all, the people are saying the person is committing the fault, then all the people they will correct it in front of everyone, not to one by one. They just like ask, okay, shall I correct that person? So I want to do that one, and like making a big impact to correct a person. But Bible is not teaching like that. If a brother or sister committing the sin, go to that person and you talk to that person separately, personally, and to identify their sin, discuss. And this brother or sister is not ready to will, there is a step on character, we can easily see that one. The first one is a person committing sin, and that person can become a stubborn character to not listen anyone. So that kind of stubborn character can be see in the brothers. Then just go with the 2 or 3 people, and still they are not listening, present that one in the church, and still that people are not listening and become stubborn, and to cast them out, or consider that one as a tax collectors or the pagans category. What Jesus is telling that whatever the standard you are bind here, it will bind in heaven. Whatever the standard you are loose in here in the world, then it will be loose in the heaven when the God Father is going to give the reward to you, because he is going to see everything. Jesus teaches that become like a small child, and become try to take a lowly position in this world, and don't be cause a stumbling block to others. And also the parable of the wandering sheep. If somebody is lost, have the longing heart, but if somebody commit the sin, how to do it? Just go and identify or talk to that person separately, and people become a stubborn character. Even though people are talk, they won't be follow and stubborn. And then Jesus said that if you do, the person is doing like that, consider them as tax collectors and cast them away. And again, truly I tell you that if two of you, one on earth, agree about anything they ask for, it will be done for them by my Father in heaven. For where 2 or 3 gather in my name, there am I with them. So Jesus clearly see the first of all the talking about the where there will be a sin, a brother or sister committing the sins. But if you go and ask to brother or sister or tell and reveal their sin, then if they are okay with you, then come to Father to ask the forgiveness for that sin. And if they are not listening, and the God will be take them or they consider them the tax collectors. But as a believer, our prayer and the win a soul or the what we are binding a standard that whether we save the person or they lose the person, if you save that person, we will get a great reward in heaven. If a lose person, we lose that reward from the heaven. So what is the reward? That if you save that person, that if you identify the sin and identify my sin, then it will get together. Those two persons are together in their thoughts and mind and everything. They just pray to God, God forgive my sin. The God will forgive our sin. May God bless you. Amen.